In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Moomoo desktop app. By the end, you'll have the desktop platform up and running and be ready to explore charts, trading tools, and more. We'll begin with the download. Head to the official Moomoo download page in your browser. Stick to the official website to avoid fake installers or outdated files. On that page, choose your device type, Windows or Mac, and click the download button. The site provides the correct installer for each system, so you don't have to hunt around. Depending on your connection, the file should arrive in a minute or two. Once the download finishes, open the installer file from your browser's downloads list or your computer's downloads folder. On Windows, the file will have an .exe extension. On Mac, it will appear as a .dmg. Double-click to launch it. If your system asks whether you trust the app because it was downloaded from the internet, confirm only if you're certain you used the official Moomoo page. Now let's install. On Windows, double-click the .exe, click Install when prompted, and let the setup run. You'll see a progress bar, and the installer will place everything where it needs to go. On Mac, opening the DMG will guide you through the standard install flow with on-screen prompts. In either case, give it a moment to complete. Most machines finish quickly, especially if you have a stable connection and a bit of free disk space. Plan for roughly 100 to 300 megabytes. When installation wraps up, launch the Moomoo app. You'll land on the login screen. Sign in using your existing account details, such as your email, phone number, or Moomoo ID, along with your password. If you're new to the platform, you can create an account first on the official site or mobile app, then return here to log in. After you're in, you can start using the desktop features right away. Explore real-time and historical charts, place trades for stocks, ETFs, and options, or practice in a risk-free environment with paper trading. The desktop platform is designed for power users with advanced tools and multi-screen support, so you can spread watch lists, charts, and order tickets across multiple monitors. Before we wrap up, a few quick tips. Keep the app updated to get the latest features and performance improvements. If space is tight, clean up old downloads before installing. And anytime you need to reinstall, repeat the same process from the official download page. That's it, you're ready to go.